UConn students are stressed, broke, but most importantly, hungry, desperate for food. Will even commit crime. What can we do to save these hungry UConn students? The UConn food truck is the answer to hungry students' prayers. So let's turn the key, start our engines, because we are about to drive into food paradise. With fast order services, you'll find your classic American comfort foods, fresh deli meat for sandwiches, and even tacos on specials nights. This fast-paced food service is storming the country. With only the freshest ingredients used, let's light the fire and shake things up. So whether you're partying like a national champion, or even studying in the library on the weekends, you'll always be able to locate the UConn food truck with the UFood app. In order to reach all hungry UConn students, the location will be adjusted hourly. So just check your phone and see where we'll be next.
Guys, it's the UConn food truck!
The UConn food truck. Come one, come all, come hungry.